Under the stars up in the sky, directions.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today we are checking out the Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra Thermal version, a rugged tablet built to withstand tough environments while delivering solid performance, and it's the world's first 5G thermal rugged tablet. Oh, I need to mention, if you don't need thermal imaging, there is another Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra available. So you may choose the one that you prefer. Okay, it's time to dive into Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra Thermal Imaging Edition. We will check DCBE, display, connectivity, battery and endurance. Well, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
The same thing you said last night. You can't do it peacefully. You won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors. No, no, just wait and see. You'll feel it naturally. There's no one else I see. I know you'll follow me. I don't wanna take this. I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment. We're living in the moment.
Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra has a 10.36-inch 2K display with a 2000 by 1200 resolution and 225 ppi, delivering sharp, vibrant visuals. The 80% screen-to-body ratio enhances the immersive experience, while the 5:3 aspect ratio reduces the need for excessive scrolling, making it perfect for both work and environment. The display strikes a great balance between clarity and usability, providing vivid and realistic images. Additionally, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, ensuring it can withstand rugged environments without sacrificing visual quality, making it ideal for tough conditions and everyday use.
Directions hard to find.
Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra supports 5G, providing fast download and browsing speeds. It also comes with dual-band 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi for reliable wireless connections and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless pairing with accessories. With dual SIM capabilities, it's versatile for both work and travel, while NFC allows for quick payments or data transfers. Additionally, the U-Smart expansion connector supports specialized peripherals like endoscopes and microscopes, making it ideal for vehicle maintenance, pipe inspections, and other professional tasks, further enhancing work efficiency. Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra is powered by a massive 11,800 mAh battery, providing up to 642 hours of standby, 64 hours of call time, and 9 hours of video playback. Whether it's long trips or remote work, this tablet keeps going without the need for constant recharging. Additionally, it supports 33-watt fast charging and 10-watt reverse charging, allowing it to double as a power bank for other devices like phones, earbuds, or other gadgets.
No one else I see. I know you'll follow.
Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra is built for durability with military standard 810H certification and an IP68 IP69K rating, making it waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof from heights up to 1.5 meters. It can handle extreme temperatures from minus 30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for harsh environments. The reinforced corners and rubberized frame provide added protection in rugged conditions, ensuring the tablet can survive even the toughest usage scenarios. Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G chipset, offering a clock speed of up to 2.4 GHz with its 8-core CPU. Paired with 16GB of RAM and the Mali G57 MC2 GPU, it handles multitasking and gaming effortlessly. Whether it's casual gaming or more demanding tasks, the 6nm process ensures efficient performance. keeping gameplay and everyday tasks running smoothly without any slowdowns. Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra is equipped with a 50-megapixel Samsung GN1 rear camera, which provides excellent detail, wide dynamic range, and captures vibrant yet natural photos. This camera outperforms others in its class, offering the best image quality among rugged tablets. Well, when it comes to the selfie camera, the 32-megapixel selfie camera ensures clear and sharp selfies, ideal for smooth video calls.
You can't do it peacefully. You won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow.
Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra Thermal Imaging Edition comes equipped with thermovue thermal imaging sensor, offering 160 by 120 resolution, a minus 10 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius range, and a 25 Hz refresh rate. It allows users to capture thermal photos, record videos, and monitor temperature changes, providing precise thermal imaging data for professional use. Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra comes equipped with a versatile LED light featuring 483 LEDs and a max brightness of 1100 lumens. This rugged tablet doubles as a multifunctional lighting tool, perfect for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, or emergency situations. With the one key lighting button or via the exclusive application, accessing a bright, durable light source is instant and convenient, making it ready for any adventure or unexpected situation.
Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky.
The exclusive sound kit enhances Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra by transforming it into a powerful audio system. Well, it's sold separately. Anyway, with 9-watt maximum power and 114 decibel max loudness, it delivers immersive sound, making it perfect for outdoor environment or work. The synchronized pulsating lights add to the audiovisual experience.
She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty ladder on the string, take it round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better prove that you're not worth the chase.
Other accessories include the Armor Holster Pro, a custom-made carrying case with a shoulder strap, kickstand, and hand strap, perfect for mobility. The wireless charging dock supports 10-watt fast charging, keeping the tablet powered without needing wires. These accessories enhance the Armor Pad 4 Ultra's versatility for any situation. So, there you have it. The Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra Thermal Imaging Edition is a powerful and rugged tablet that nails all the key areas of DCBE: display, connectivity, battery, and endurance. Its display is great for outdoor use, connectivity is top-notch, the battery is massive, and the build absolutely indestructible. So, I have left a link in the description box. If you are interested, go ahead, check this rugged flagship tablet. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.